Tired of memorizing 20 different candlestick patterns? Feeling like you're searching for a needle in a haystack? Forget the noise. In this video, I'll show you the only 4 candlestick patterns you'll ever need to succeed in trading. Plus, stick around until the end for an interactive practice session where you'll test your new skills with real examples. Let's get started. If you're not familiar with what candlesticks are or how to read them, I recommend checking out my previous video, Candlestick 101. For those ready to level up, let's dive straight in.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
1. The Doji, the Jedi of candlesticks. A doji forms when the open and close prices are virtually equal. It's a signal of indecision and may be the beginning or continuation of a trend. Picture this. The market is like a Jedi, stuck in indecision, unsure of which side to join, the buyers or the sellers. But not all dojis are created equal. You're looking for dojis that are followed by engulfing candles. Why? Because these engulfing candles are like the power surge in the Force, signaling that a large number of orders hit the market, but couldn't be fully absorbed. This tells us one thing. When the price revisits that level, expect a reaction, a rejection or a continuation of the previous trend. These are your allies in the galaxy of trading. Your Yoda dojis, if you will. 2. The engulfing candle, the power shift. An engulfing candle is your ultimate confirmation tool. It's like the market's mic drop, a strong bullish or bearish candle that fully engulfs the previous one. Engulfing candles tell us that big players have entered the game, shifting the balance of power decisively. Paired with a doji, these candles signal clear opportunities. When you see them, pay attention. The market is telling you a story.
What are you trying to say?
3. The hammer, the comeback warrior. This pattern looks like a hammer and shows up at the bottom of a downtrend. It tells us there's a reversal brewing. Buyers have stepped in, saying, enough's enough. This is our territory now. Think of it as a V-shaped recovery, a comeback story where the underdog rises. 4. The shooting star, the ultimate rejection. The shooting star is the opposite of the hammer. It appears at the top of an uptrend and signals rejection at a key level. Sellers dominate, pushing the price down and shouting, "Not today, buddy." This pattern tells us a reversal could be on the horizon.
It's here! It's here! It's here!
Now it's time to put what we've learned into action with a practice session. We'll go through 5 different charts, and your task is to identify the candlestick patterns we just talked about. Here's how it'll work. I'll show you a chart and give you a few moments to spot as many candle patterns as possible. Then I'll reveal the answer and give you some notes. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time for each exercise. Ready? Let's dive in. First chart. Here is the answer. Doji. Engulfing. Shooting star. Hammer. Now let's focus on this hammer candle. If you notice, it is actually part of a bearish trend, the complete opposite of what I explained earlier. What that means is that candlesticks by themselves won't improve your analysis. You need to be aware of the market's narrative, price action, and structure to truly understand what's happening. But don't get overwhelmed. We'll get there. For now, let's stick to this practice. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming trading guides. Let's continue. Second chart. Here is the answer. Doji. Engulfing. Hammer. Shooting star. How are you doing so far? Let's continue. Third chart. the answer. Doji. Engulfing. Hammer. Shooting star. Are you getting better at this? Let's keep the momentum going. Here's the fourth chart. Here is the answer. Doji. Engulfing. Hammer. Shooting star. Feeling confident? Let's go for the last one. Here is the answer. Doji. Engulfing. Hammer. Shooting star. Remember, candlesticks alone won't do the job. They're just one tool in your toolbox. Your main analysis should always focus on the narrative, price action, and market structure. That's what will truly guide your decisions and set you apart as a trader. But hopefully, this practice session is helping you get more comfortable with reading charts and understanding how to interpret candlesticks. Great work so far. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the galaxy of candlesticks. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. And remember, if you're new to candlesticks, check out Candlestick 101 to build your foundation. Until next time, may the charts be with you.